All right, so we're in Dallas, Texas, and we're about to deliver at Fruit of the Earth. And we're going over here to Dock Warren next to that Old Dominion. It's gonna be tight. So I decided to record because everybody loves when I'm stressing. So let's get up on in here. So the plan of attack, oh wow, well, there's a trash can there. The plan of attack is to kind of go in here, swing out, and then back it in. So I kind of want to hug up in here to get the trailer at least started. And there's a car coming. Where are you going, car? Come on around. I'm not doing anything important. Alright, let's swing out. Roll the windows down. Oh, this window down. And go up as far as I can before I have to then swing it again left. And we're gonna see what we're gonna do. I want to go more. And get that trailer starting to go a little bit sooner. From where I want to be. God damn it. Let's go back forward. There we go. Now it should. Should get it to, come on, turn baby, turn. I'm really close to this wall back here. I really don't want to hit that trash can either. I don't have enough of wall space. We're gonna try this again. It's tight, it's tight, it's tight. This is how. Oh, there's another car. What are you doing, car? is gonna be a minute. God damn it. No, we're not gonna get up in there. Not like that. Got a lot of impatient people soon. Trash can. Please don't hit that trash can. Trash can, where are you? We're gonna go forward. Almost done, almost done. Oh my God, I can't believe we're gonna get in here. Traffic jam. Traffic jam. Bunch of pissed off people. Everybody coming into work today. I know they was like, look at this driver. Alright, cool. We're good. There we go. We in there. We in there. Tore that damn door up. You want to pay for it? Thank you. And we're done. That was good. That was hard. It was a little tight. What I didn't anticipate, I should have moved up. I should have did what I did the last time, which was come all the way up next to those cars as much as I can. It wouldn't have been as bad without the trash can there, but that wasn't too bad. All right, till next time. Deuces.